Is your system running slow? Is it lagging? You're not getting the best performance of your PC? If so, then this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through some optimization tips without third-party applications. Kindly follow all the steps with all the patience you have, and I'm sure your system will be up and running like a brand new machine. First one I'm talking about is change your power settings. Now to do that, you click on the start button, you go into your control panel, go to the hardware and sound. Now over there you can see the power options there, so click on change power settings. Now you can see the settings over here. We have the balanced, we have the high performance, and we have the power saver. It's better to choose the high performance, so you click on that. If you're using the Windows 10 Power Saver plan, you slow down your PC. That plan reduces your PC's performance in order to save energy. So I'd advise you to change it from that to the high performance in order to get the full performance of your PC. Now, one reason your Windows 10 PC may feel sluggish is that you've got too many programs running in the background. Programs that you rarely or never use. Stop them from running and your PC will run more smoothly. And aside that, you're going to get a faster boot time whenever you turn on your PC. And now to do that, open your task manager by right clicking on the start button. You go to the startup. And now over here you can choose to close down any unnecessary apps. You understand? I've got tons of them shut down, and so my PC is running at its best performance. And if you're really nervous about one of the listed applications, you can go to a site run by Region Software called Should I Block It, and search for the file name. You usually find very solid information about the program or service. Now that you've selected all the programs that you want to disable at startup, the next time you restart your computer, the system will be a lot less concerned with unnecessary programs. So what we're going to do next is we're going to clean some cache files. Now these cache files over time, they slow down your PC. So first things first, hit on the Windows key plus R, then it's going to come the run, then you type Cleanmgr, and you hit on OK. Then you select the drive, right? I'm using the SSD on the drive C, so I select it. Now you're going to check off all the files that you've seen here. You're going to check every one of them, you understand? So you can see that I've been declaring mine periodically, so I don't have a lot of cache files here that you're seeing. So it's always good to periodically clean these files to release some space on your RAM for better performance. So just check them off and then hit on OK. And after that, you can select all the other drives and do the same to it. Okay, don't be afraid. Okay, then you just wait for it to finish. That's it. Now the next use of cache files we are going to delete. I call them the temp, the %temp%, and then the prefetch. They are very important that you clear them out periodically, as we did in the first time. So while holding down the Windows key, you hit on the R, then you type the temp, T-E-M-P, and when it comes, you make sure you select everything. You can do it this way or Control A. Then you hit on the shift plus delete. We're going to delete them permanently. Okay, then you hit on OK. Yes, try again. This ain't going to go, so we just skip it. You're good to go. You can close it. So we go to the next one. So while holding the Windows key, hit on R again. Then we go to the temp, the %temp% 100%. Hit on OK. Then you select all of them. You can see there are a whole lot of junk files here. Select all, then shift delete permanently. Yes, I want everything gone. You skip it. Let's try and see if we can delete more. Sometimes it won't, so we just leave it. Okay, so let's go to the last one. That's the prefetch. Windows key R again. Then you type prefetch. Okay. Then you select everything. Then you delete it. Now after doing this, you could see you're going to see an improvement in your PC, the performance. Right after doing everything, I recommend that you restart your PC to see the improvement. Now for this one, for those of you who have problems with the internet connection, or the browsers are slowing down always, I think this one is for you. So whilst holding the Windows key again, you tap on the R, press on the R, then you type the inetcpl.cpl, then you hit on enter. Now over here, as you're seeing, you go to connections, then you check your LAN settings over here. Now you make sure that this is not ticked, the proxy settings. You make sure there are no proxy settings over here, and make sure that this is also ticked. So when you see that, you just hit on OK, then you just click on OK. And now the next one we are going to talk about is to delete unnecessary files from your computer. So I know most of you all know how to delete files, the programs that you are not using again. I think it's necessary you delete them to release some memory. So to do that, you just go to the control panel, you go to the programs, uninstall a program. Now you go through these list we have here, and then the programs that you are not using, I highly recommend that you delete them. And the last I'm talking about is, if you have the money, if you have the budget, add more RAM. Of course, one of the easiest ways to free up more memory is to boost the existing amount of RAM you have. Now, if you're not sure what kind of memory your computer takes, you can use the Crucial Advisor to run a scan on your PC and find the best memory to buy. Memory is important, guys. Of all the things you can do to boost your old computer's performance or your computer's performance, there is nothing as effective as clearing out or boosting your available RAM. The less your computer needs to rely on your hard drive and the page file because of the physical RAM is full, the faster your computer will behave. And thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you. Let me know in the comment section if it's really helped you, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new.